Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of mediocre sound quality? Get ready to experience audio like never before with the Fosi Audio SK02 DAC amp headphone amplifier. This game-changing device is a top-rated and best-selling amplifier that's taking the music world by storm. The SK02 is crafted from a single piece of aluminum alloy using CNC machining and a delicate sandblasting process, giving it an exquisite appearance and lasting durability. You'll love the feel of its solid build in your hands, and the sound it produces is incredibly rich and detailed. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The sound quality is simply exceptional. With the SK02, you can enjoy crystal clear highs and deep, rumbling lows that will leave you breathless. Whether you're a music producer, gamer, or simply a music lover, this amplifier is a must-have. You can use it to power your favorite headphones, and the result is a listening experience like no other. The texture of the aluminum alloy is smooth to the touch, and the device itself is compact and easy to use. In real-life use cases, the SK02 outperforms other amplifiers in its class, delivering a more nuanced and engaging sound that will keep you coming back for more. Unlike other amplifiers that can be flimsy or poorly made, the SK02 is built to last, with a durable construction that will withstand heavy use. So why settle for mediocre sound when you can have the best? Upgrade to the Fosi Audio SK02 DAC amp headphone amplifier today and discover a whole new world of audio possibilities. With its incredible sound quality, durable construction, and compact design, this amplifier is the perfect choice for anyone who wants to take their music to the next level. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.